All right, a quick look at SPY on the monthly chart. You can see we've been talking about this resistance and support for a while now in the larger time frame. We pushed this resistance level and tested it 3 previous months right through here, just wicked up above. We actually tested it 4 times, but we have 3 wicks above. None of them could actually hold and had significant rejections down into this support area. So we just did the same thing. We wicked up just a little bit above and we're pushing back further down. So these are going to be areas to kind of keep in mind. That 590 area, 586 and about 582 are areas we can watch in between the 603 and 573 support and resistance. So let's see what we do there. Moving over into the weekly chart, this trend line was previously down here where we tested. So we had our 2 touches, and the last 2 weeks we wicked above this trend line, but just could not hold above yet again. So moving this up for the heading forward, I'm just going to move that trend line on up. If you notice, we talked a lot last week about having an inside week. We finally Friday pushed lower and got outside of that previous week candle. Looking at the daily chart, we've got a descending channel that we just kind of been hanging out in on this pullback, and I've kind of been waiting to see how it responds through here. If you look left, you can see we have a chop box right here that we struggled in. Looking even further left, you can see the same thing, pretty much some sideways motion right through here. So that next range that we're getting down into, we could definitely see some more chop. Then again on the daily, the next big level down is going to be about 5. We're at 594, so it's about that 590 area. Then we've got the 588, 586, and then 582. Underneath that, we're looking right through here at an older gap fill that's never been filled. It's also a bounce zone, so let's just see how we respond as we get down there, if we are able to break through these levels on the way down. If we head on down to that 586 area and want to hold inside of our channel, we could bounce there and head back up and just kind of do that zigzag on the way down. But let's just trade level to level and see what happens in this gap fill and bounce area. I could see us coming on down, being a little choppy. Obviously, it's not ever going to be in a straight line, right? We could bounce and head back up a little bit before seeing some more downside, but let's just trade level to level. And when I get my confirmations for a direction change, I will let you guys know what I will be swinging and when.